Hi, my name is Lisa Jubin, and I live in Brick, New Jersey. And I found Dr. Korwin by looking online, and due to his recommendations from other patients, as well as being a calm dentist, I decided to go to him after having terrible experiences with other dentists. I had a lot of injuries to my teeth, and he said he could make magic happen and fix everything so I looked beautiful. So from the minute I came in, from the staff to the hygienist to Dr. Korwin, being a big scaredy cat, they all held my hand when they was getting the work done, and he calmed me down. And I needed a lot of work done due to injuries, and I ended up getting upper anterior crowns done, which came out wonderfully. And like I said, the staff couldn't have been more helpful, and we've become to be a family after coming here for so long. And I thank Dr. Korwin. And now I'm going to be getting other procedures done, and I will be recommending him to other patients as well and friends of mine to come. So again, I want to thank the staff and Dr. Korwin for everything and making my life so much happier.